Now we're on slide 5, and we've got just 2 more slides to go. So we're going to go to slide 3, and we're going to make sure that the layout is a title-only layout. So come over here, click on slide 3, go up here to layout, and select title only. Again, yours is probably going to look a little different than mine, depending on the theme that you chose. All right, add the name of your holiday into the title text box. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine in here. Okay, number 3, resize the text box so it is only as big as the word itself. Okay, so I'm going to grab my handles here. I'm going to shrink my text box down. I don't know if I need to go up any, but I can probably go up just a wee bit. All right, so now the text box is only as big as the name of my holiday. Number 4, align the text box in the middle of the slide and rotate it to the left. Okay, I'm going to add in here in the middle of the slide, both horizontally and vertically, like I always make you guys do. Hang on. This is what I had done earlier that I didn't mean to do earlier. So now make sure that your text box is selected by clicking on the border. And here is where we're going to go to align over here. And we're going to hit align center. And then we're going to go back and we're going to hit align middle. So now you can see that it is dead center in the middle of your text box. And then I said rotate it some to the left. So you're going to click this arrow guy here and you're just going to drag a wee bit to the left so you can give it a little bit of a tilt. Okay, number 5, add a shape style to the text box and a shape effect of your choice. Okay, so now we're jazzing up our text box. Again, make sure that it is selected and you clicked on the border. And then we got to go to the Format tab because we're going to format that shape. And here is the shape styles. So if you click the drop-down arrow, you can choose a pre-selected shape style. Or, let me see, add a shape style to the text box and a shape effect of your choice. Ignore that bell, that is not for you. Okay, so we have a shape style. So again, I'm just going to choose a pre-selected shape style. I don't know, I'm just going to choose that one randomly. You guys go ahead and do whichever one you want. And then it also said a shape effect, right? And a shape effect. Okay, so your shape effects are here. So if you click this drop down arrow, you've got some preset shape effects. You've got all these options. So go ahead, pause me, take a minute or 2 at most, and give your shape an effect of your choice. I want to point out real quick that I chose a glow option. It's kind of hard to see because my background is dark. You know what? Let me see something real quick. Design. I'm going to see for this background, I'm going to format my background real quick. I'm going to go to solid fill and white just because I want to be able to see my glow better. It's not going to let me. Poo. Okay, never mind. I do have a red glow around my Christmas text box, and I did want you guys to see that if you do choose the glow option, I like the glow option a lot. I use it a lot. If you do choose the glow option, and so you've got these options here, but you can go down and hit more glow colors. That's what I had to do in this case. So when I did it, I went to shape effects, I went to glow. I think I selected that one first, but then I went back to shape effects, glow, and then I hit more colors. Why is it doing that? Sorry guys, it's being weird. Either way, I went to more colors and I chose red, and then it made it red. It's not letting me do it because I'm doing a screencast right now. I went back and fixed it. Alrighty, now we are on step 6. Add an image of your holiday from Google to the right of the slide. Okay, so we're gonna go to Google, which I'm already there. And once in Google, we didn't have to go to Google. I'm just gonna type in Xmas because it's short for Christmas. Once you type in your holiday, you wanna go to images. Now, don't forget that you can use these options up top here to kind of filter your results or more, make them more precise. So maybe I'm like, oh, I want a picture of Santa. So I can click on Santa here. Look, it's Santa dabbing. Now I can choose the image of my choice. Now, I am just going to right click on it and I'm going to hit copy image. And then I'm going to go back and I am going to right click, make sure nothing is selected, right click, and then paste my image. Or I could have hit Control V, I believe. Let me see if that's going to work actually. Oh, it's not working. Awesome. Not. Okay, if Control V is not working, then right click, and then so you've got 3 different paste options. The one that works is the one with the little image icon on the clipboard, so it's that 3rd one here. So go ahead and click that. And then your steps did say to make sure that your image is to the right of the name of your holiday. So if you want, just to make it more aesthetically pleasing, you can do whatever you want here. You can rotate it however you want. And that is it for this slide.